Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Nur Atifah binti Ahmad and today I'm going to introduce my new product which is spraying drone. Have you ever heard about a drone that can spray? In this new era, farmers need to be advanced and smart because they need to increase their yield, but at the same time they want to reduce the cost. Let's say if a farmer owns 15 to 40 acres of paddy field, have you ever think of how or which techniques that they use to spray fertilizer on their crops? If we look back to traditional way of spraying methods, it can take one person to cover 1 acre in one day. So here we are, come with solutions to solve this problem. Our drones come with a capacity of 60 liters, which is 50 times faster than normal spraying, and it can cover up to 27 acres in 8 hours because it can operate completely autonomously and programmed to run on specific schedules or routes. Besides that, our product also can help the farmers make a consistent fertilization and spraying in order to maintain high yields. These methods are not only efficient and easier, but they can be cost-effective and much safer as well. Our product is equipped with thermal cameras that can help to spot irrigation issues or areas that are receiving too little or excessive moisture. With this technology, crops can be better laid out to maximize drainage, adhere to natural land runoff, and avoid water pooling, which can damage sensitive crops. Water and irrigation issues are not only costly but can ruin crop yields as well. With drone surveying, these issues can be spotted before they become troublesome to us. I believe there are a lot of competitors out there because drone spraying is a relatively new technology but not widely used in Malaysia. Our competitors are recently from companies Sanyong Agriculture Solution, Geoprecision Tech, and MyTani Drone. To the investor out there, don't afraid to invest into our product because according to reports, the agriculture drone market is expected to grow from $1.2 billion USD in 2019 to $4.8 billion USD in 2024.